What's good? What's good? What's good? We're back. We're back. Fishy Trade said, your favorite stud? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Willis? What are you talking about, Willis? All right, all right, all right. Fresh Cash Friday, man. What in the world is going on? Look at this. This market is on crack. You know, just is it ever? Gonna pull back. Who knows? Look at the weekly candle right now. Oh my lord. Yeah, I mean, I guess just go long. I don't fucking know, man. All-time high on NASDAQ futures is 26,864. So, I don't know, man. I truly don't know. I don't know. I don't have an answer for you, to be honest. I don't know. Everybody wants to know what happens next. I truly don't know. So we took out yesterday's high already. Yesterday's high there, we just broke through it. I don't know. What do you think, chat? What do you guys think? Shout out to James dropping the $2 Canadian in the chat. We rich. We rich. We rich. $2 Canadian, baby. Don't worry. I won't spend money, all the money everywhere. Nice shirt. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna maybe bust out of it. My muscles are getting too big for it. Look at those things. I didn't really have like a good shirt to wear, so I thought this could just be funny for Fresh Cash Friday, you know? Why you dressed up as a grown-up? You know, hey, just trying to make a little bit of money. Fresh Cash Friday, I thought I'd wear my sexy shirt. Get the studs. Gotta get the studs excited, you know? All the studs out there tuning in. I'm gonna turn the studs back to non-studs. Could that be a thing? What if I could be so sexy, right? So fucking sexy that all the studs out there that watch me become I don't know what that means. How do you so studs like they're lesbians, they're women that are trying to be they're masculine lesbians. So all I need them to do is become non-masculine lesbians. Tony, you were expecting a Hawaiian shirt, you know? Hey, we're just changing it up, you know? We're just having a little bit of fun. We got the Subaru back there, looking all fresh today. You do kind of look like a stud, P-Money. I look like a masculine lesbian. Yes. Yes. Man, that's great. You gotta love it. I'm a masculine lesbian. Right now, NASDAQ up at the highs. At the highs. Oh man, the Dow is on its way to 50,000, baby. 49,000 on the Dow right now. ES 7,100. So the ES, guys, just made a new all-time high this morning. So there you have it. 71 or 7,100. 7,100. The SPY made an all-time high already this week, like on Wednesday. So, oh man, Apple, what's it doing? I need Apple to go all-time highs. Apple's kind of lagging right now. 266 on Apple. Let's just get long and dollar cost average. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. Just get long and never sell. Ugh. What do you guys eat for breakfast in the morning? What's your guys' go-to breakfast? What's your go-to breakfast? Anybody got a? I like to do a little protein shake, you know. Egg and bacon. Jack in the Box, really? Sigma, you eating Jack in the Box? Steak and eggs, there we go. All veggies, no eggs. Waxy, what are you doing, bro? Waxy, what are you doing, bro? You gotta stop that. Oh my lord, NASDAQ still pushing. What I can't believe this. Why? Why does it have to go straight up pre-market? Look at this thing. Since London opened, the market has only went higher. Only went higher, chat. Oh my lord. What will we do? What will we do? Ugh. Wow, it is just on a tear right now. NASDAQ making new highs, new highs, new highs, over and over and over here now. You gotta love it. Why are there 3 setups? Well, we've had 3 people here before. We have had 3 people at the BDH at one time. So, I mean, it does happen. It does happen. What's your next play, Patrick? I mean, I think you got to be patient here, really. I don't know what else to. What are you gonna do? You know, you could start trading some stocks. That's a possibility. You know, that's something to think about maybe. We got warbucksbtc.com, the easiest place to trade stocks. Weep, 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 weep. Right now, don't forget, we got a giveaway happening here in about an hour and 55 minutes. Over $500,000 paid out. Start trading crypto. You can trade crypto 24 hours a day. We got equities now Monday through Friday, 9:30 till 3:55. So, what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Everybody wanna party with me. Sup, PW? Nice PJs. The fuck's a P? You think it's what the? You said PJs. You think this is a PJ? This ain't pajamas. This is my fucking making money shirt, baby. J Love says, I was expecting you to be on around 9. Well, you know, welcome to the party, baby. Will Warbucks allow pre-market stocks at some point? Maybe. PW, are you heading out early today? Yeah, I'm gonna be gone by like 11. Getting on the private jet, flying down to Costa Rica, so. You know how we do. You know how we do. Oh my lord, guys, what the fuck? I just keep watching the NASDAQ go higher here. I mean, 26,600. It almost looks like it's programmed at this point. PW, did you stop fishing? Sir, I just said that I was going to Costa Rica. The fuck do you think I'm gonna do in Costa Rica? Get a hair transplant? Get dental work? You think about that for a minute, and then you think about it. Just think about it, all right? Wow. It just keeps going. It literally just keeps going, guys. I truly don't know what the fuck is going on. Matt Garrett says, I was recommended to learn from watching you trade. I inherited some ETFs. I want to diversify a little. What would you recommend? I mean, yeah, I don't know. What's the best way to diversify? I mean, it's hard to beat the ETFs. You know? QQQ, SPY. That's pretty much, I just put all my money in SPY and QQQ long term. It just kind of seems like the easy play. I don't know. It's the overall market. Dividend ETFs. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I truly, I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. I would say if you want to really learn, just do a lot of research. There's a lot of great, information out there. For me personally, I'm just trading. I try to just focus on day trading here. And then like my long-term portfolio is right now is like I only own Apple. I know that sounds funny, but just, yeah. Diversification sometimes is a little bit more tricky than it seems. Right now, 26,580, 590 level. I got to go to the freaking bathroom. I got to do something. This market, man. All right, I mean, what time is it? 8 o'clock, 8:10. 8:10. Good time to be patient. Looking at the news right now. What do we got for news? Today's the 17th, so no major news on the calendar right now. We got some cattle. cattle numbers later on, but right now we are waiting to see what happens when we get closer to market open. We still got a lot of time, so. I mean, you say 9% off Apex accounts? I don't know, bro. I think it's still 90% off. Their website says 90% off. Am I retarded? Or maybe it means up to 90% off? I don't know. Fuck it, hey, look at this again. Wow. NASDAQ just gonna go for it. I'm gonna try a long here. This is too much. Stop at the 81. See if we don't get this pushed through 26,000 up there at this point. This is just, I gotta do something. I gotta do something, chat. Just gotta do something here. ES is pushing. NASDAQ's pushing. Everything's pushing. Can we get a new high? Can we get a new high? All right, trying to get through this pre-market high here area. This 600 area up there. It's kind of what I'm targeting. Maybe we'll move it up a little bit. 605 we'll go for. This thing's definitely overextended. But that's been the story of the week, right? It's been constantly overextended. So let's see if we can get this breakout. There's a new high here. Can they break it out through 600s next? Good Lord. Sleepy time. Time to go sleepy time. Time to go to sleep. All right, let's see if we can break through here now. Come on, new 1 minute candle just opened. It is currently 8:14. We got the 15-minute candle closing here soon as well. Do we get the continuation through that high, that, well, 26,600 area up there? Whole number, we're right there. Market just continues going higher. Will the shorts get squeezed? Will the shorts get squeezed? We're gonna find out here very, very, very soon. Very soon. Squeeze them. Trying to, it's trying, but I mean, it's tight, tight, tight right now. There's no news today. No news today. No news. No news. Oh. New 5-minute candle just open here. Will we get this push? Trouble, trouble, trouble. If we start to build out a flag here and start to push up, I'll add to this trade. If not, get stopped out. $200 loser to start the day here. If we get stopped, not a big deal. Keep the party going, baby. It's Fresh Cash Friday. This is a bit of a FOMO trade. Been sitting here watching this thing just go straight up for the last 20 minutes and said, hey, fuck it. Let me try it. Let me try my luck today. My luck looks like it might have run out here today. Let's see. If we lose this low here, we could be pulling back into this area next. So all right, kind of like I said, if we break above the previous candle high here, I'm looking to add to the trade. But if not, I have my stop right down here at the 81. So we're risking 10 points here. I got one contract currently. We were pushing, and then now consolidate. So might have to wait for the market to open up, get some better action here. But right now, we are long there. I want to see it back above this 90 area here. Basically, I'm looking to add if we can like bounce here and push back up above, like back into the green. So I'll look to add there. Looks like the ES is still pushing. Nasdaq's pushing. All right, can we push? We basically need to get above that blue line there. Blue line of death. The line of death. The moment of truth. Moment of truth here. Basically back above 91, I'm going to add. Moment of truth here. Do we get more boner candles to the upside? Consolidating back up here, giving it a second. I'm gonna add, just like I said. And then I'm also gonna move my stop basically on this trade, like right there. So we're still only risking 250 bucks, but obviously our upside now is much better. So see if we can't get that push through 600s next. The 5-minute chart, it's not terrible. I don't like love it, but for a pre-market trade, I think it's not terrible. Wore the fancy shirt. Told y'all I was gonna bring the fancy shirt today. I'll bring the fancy shirt out. Ugh. This, yeah, I don't like this. I think we're gonna get stopped. We're about to get stopped. Just couldn't get through there. So, yeah, stopped out. It's only a $200 loser. Is what it is. We'll have to wait for market open up here now. Blah, 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 blah. So that ain't no fancy shirt? What do you mean? It is a fancy shirt. Chopping around here. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. Chopping around. Chop Chop City, feeling pretty. Friday. How high can the market go on this Friday? The daily candles right now, it has been green for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days here so far. So, like I said, kind of was watching that tight stop. Did not work out. No continuation there. That's fine. You get stopped out for a $200 loser. It's not a big deal, right? We'll get it right back. Keep it small, keep it tight, keep it right. So we'll get it back. That's why I moved my stop to 84, 85 level, because I was like, hey, if we can't hold 84, 85s, well then we in trouble. So sometimes you got to know when to hold them and when to fold them. I think, maybe 550 area might be 550, 560 could be an area to get a bounce here, maybe. So. We'll see what happens down there. Big 5-minute candle expanding to the downside here now, so ruh-roh for the bulls out there. They don't want to see this dump too much. Not too much. Don't dump too much, chat. Don't dump too much. We got no major news today. No major news. Nothing really, I would say, out of the ordinary for a Friday here. So, it should be an interesting day here, I think. The trend lately has been straight up. The NASDAQ showing a lot of strength here, especially with everything going on in the world right now. You got Nvidia, you got Apple, you got Microsoft, you got Tesla making moves, big moves in the market daily here. So it's Friday, so we'll see. Are the shorts going to be really stubborn? Are the bears going to be stubborn? Who wins the battle? The fuck is that? Are you kidding me? What the world? NASDAQ straight up here again. I'm gonna try one more long here, chat. Try 2 long, see if this is like some news. We're gonna get a push through the 600s. This is crazy shit. Looking for this push straight through 600s. Let's go. We got 3 contracts long for a new high here. Come on. There's 600 push. There we go. We love it. We want more of it. Real nice. We're kind of trailing now. 605, 610s. If it breaks through here, we're gonna go 615s with our stop, 613 stop. There we go, stopped out. Boom, it's still going, by the way. Still going. 625s. Like I said, guys, what did I just say? Let's rewind the fucking tape, boys. Rewind the motherfucking tape. We do not let one losing trade ruin our fucking day, do we? We do not let one losing trade ruin our day. Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen to that? Anybody? Do I got somebody amening? Do I got an amen to that? Come on. Like I said, we keep our losers small. We wait for the right opportunity. We make money. Right? Amen, brothers, sisters. Amen, brothers, sisters, brothers and sisters. And this is another reason that we don't try to get short just because we're like, oh, it's going to crash. Let's get short, guys. I know it's going to crash, right? Well, you don't know shit. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing, boys. So, yeah, some volatility here. Big move up from the 570s through the 600s there. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it sometimes. U.S. considers $20 billion cash for uranium deal with Iran. That's the news. Well, luckily for someone said they went short. I said, luckily I did not go short. I did not trade short. Fishy Trade says, do another. My girlfriend called me. Well, you tell your girlfriend, do not call. Don't call. You know, don't call me when the market's open, woman. I'm making money. Just kidding. Don't say that. Say, I love you, honey. I love you. I love you long time. You know what I mean? I love you long time. All right, well, big push here on the ES, big push on the NASDAQ. Welcome to the fucking show, baby. This thing is, it's wild, it's crazy. The NASDAQ to the moon here. ES is pushing, NASDAQ's pushing. I mean, it don't seem like it's done just yet, to be honest. I don't know. It don't seem like it's done just yet. It does not seem like that. Today is gonna be wild and crazy all at the same time. Look at this thing. Look at this thing all week long. Chat, all week. All fucking week long, man. It's been nonstop. It just won't stop. It's crazy. It's like, it's literally crazy. The question now is, can we continue going higher? Is that possible? You know, is that a real possibility here? We gotta wonder. We have to wonder. We truly have to wonder here. We have to wonder, sir. Gotta wonder. NASDAQ said it don't care. It just wants to go anywhere in its underwear. You funny NASDAQ. You real funny NASDAQ. Wow. Wow. You gotta love it. All right, if you're just now tuning in, we took a couple trades today, or so far pre-market. I got long here at this 90 level earlier. You gotta like, I kept a tight stop, so we got stopped out there at 84. So only like a 6-7 point loss there. And then bam, we jumped in here, sold into this pump. It's still pumping. 625s now. The shorts are fucked, man. I mean, I think that's just the The shorts are absolutely fucked. It's still going, by the way. Still going. Still going. Still going. If we go 660, I'm gonna try a short for a little pullback here. I'm gonna try a short right there, actually. Try to add into this. This is, I mean, this is getting crazy. It's getting crazy, chat. I gotta get at least 10-point pullback here. At least 10 points. At least 10 points. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Flirting with me. Come on. You know you want to give me 10 points, NASDAQ. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy, NASDAQ. Oh, man. Bull flag in here. Oh, God. Get it. Pull it back there. Pull it back there. That's 10 points. Come on. There we go. Boom. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Now I said ladies. Hell yeah. Not bad, chat. Not bad. I told you need a little bit of a pullback. I wasn't gonna be greedy. You know, I wasn't gonna be greedy. But I thought we could get at least 10 points there. At least 10 points. Right? At least 10 points there. I'll take 10 points pre-market all day, every day. Can you smell what the rock is cooking? Maybe. 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 What is that fucking TV behind me doing, man? What is this TV doing over there, man? What's it doing, man? Play the fucking... Play it. Play it. How did you know that it'll be a point for a quick short? I was kind of just looking at this 5-minute chart. You know, we had this big like boner candle. We kind of just got like stuck up here. I mean, I never know, you know, it's like, it's never like, oh, I know, but just kind of looking a little crazy there. 1-minute candle. I thought we could at least pull back maybe 620s. It's kind of bull flag in here again. If it wasn't pre-market, I'd say, hey, we look for a bull flag here, but the fact that it's pre-market right now, 8:30 in the morning, I think you got to be a little you know, relaxed now. I am no one. Said I know nothing, you know? What? Are you trolling me? I am no one? Is that you're trolling me? I mean, the guy just said, how did I know that the market was gonna pull back? And I said, I don't know, but just based on the point that we're at, market going straight up all morning, thinking that there would be a chance of a pullback there. So, PW, what time do you wake up in the morning? 5 o'clock, 5 a.m., baby. 5 a.m., baby. 5 a.m., baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Yeah, I'd say there's definitely something to be said about just kind of experiencing charts, experiencing the market. It's not always as easy as under like, I guess it's not always easy to explain what you see. I mean, trading can be subjective. Joshua said, D-Money is my fave. Okay. Right to the VIP room. Oh man, 26,620 area now. We were short from the 650s or yeah, I think like 640 area. When price goes up like this, it's very hard to spot an entry. Michelle said, just asking, I thought the point of hiring D-Money was to do less and have less stress. No, that wasn't, that was not the point of hiring D-Money. I didn't hire D-Money to work less. I mean, even if I'm not live on YouTube, guys, like I'm still working, I'm still doing stuff, I'm still working. Like it, I know it looks like I'm on vacation a lot of times, but like I'm still working. You know, people hiring D-Money just creates more stress, to be honest. I know that sounds funny, but like, yeah, now I have more responsibility. If I don't do my job, and well, I gotta pay D-Money, you know. I gotta pay him. Michelle, she's worried about me. Don't worry, Michelle. You know, I do. It's a bit of a kind of like a shtick, right? Like kind of like a comedy. Like I don't actually act this way in real life. I think people sometimes forget that this is entertainment. So, do I keep runners after 10 points? Sometimes. Depends on the price action. Right? That's all it really, I mean, it depends on the price action. All right, so just kind of reiterating what I said earlier, right? The first trade of the day that we had here live on YouTube, well, guess what? It wasn't a winning trade, right? We got stopped out. It does happen. Sometimes the first trade of the day will be a losing trade. So the important part here to remember is that if you lose a trade, you do not need to go on tilt and blow up your account. One losing trade is not going to ruin your day, because as you can see here, we had one losing trade this morning, you know, and we came back. Largest winning trade today, 460. Largest losing trade, 140. And that's all it is. That's how you make money trading. If you want to make money trading, you got to be okay with losing. Keep the losers small, keep the winners big, and just rinse and repeat, baby. Rinse and repeat. Holy crap, what did it take to put the car over the other one? So I have like these big muscles. I basically push the car up, I pull the other car in, and then it's basically muscles. Basically muscles. Just big muscles. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling back here. We got a pivot point right there, 26,609. What would I be looking for a long here? To be honest, at this point, I'd want to maybe see a little deeper pullback. Right? So trading at all-time highs sucks. I mean, it's money, man. It's remember, when the market doesn't move, we hate it. When it goes straight up, we hate it. When it goes straight down, we hate it. So basically, there never is like an optimal moment in time. So yeah, I don't like, I don't know if there ever is just a day where people are like, man, I just love this market. Just love it. Are you in right now? No, I'm out right now. I flat right now, chat. I flat. I very, very flat. Flat chested. We've got some Lucid accounts. That's right. Check out these Lucid accounts. We just passed the 40% consistency. My daily loss limit, my profit, total profit about $5,000. That's 5 accounts total. View the details here. You can see my results. So I passed these evals on Monday during the day. We activated the evals into funded accounts live on YouTube, and then we traded, and then all of these trades I basically have taken this week with you guys. So on the week right now, for these Lucid accounts, we're up 4,900 times 5 accounts. And yeah, these are 50K accounts. Like I said, I showed you guys, we passed the evals Monday morning. We activated the accounts. I came back for power hour, made some money, made some money, made some money, made some money. So all week long, ding, 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 ding. And then if you look down here, my win percent for this week, we had 100, 100, 100, but then yesterday or on Wednesday, we did 83%. So not bad, not bad. Not bad. We'll take it. Going into market open here. Still plenty of time. It's only 8:40 in the morning. If you like winning with Wieland, well, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know how to do it. You know how to do it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Tubed Out 5 says that this guy is such a bad trader. He's a scammer. Damn, man. Tubed Out. Did your daddy did he not kiss you on the lips when you were a baby? When you're a little baby, you want me to come kiss you? What is that website to look at your trades? That's the Lucid dashboard. That's the Lucid dashboard. Right now, NASDAQ pulling back here still. Guys, I just want to apologize for everybody in the chat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I scammed everybody today. I'm sorry. I just want to apologize for scamming all the people watching right now. It's, you know, I want to come clean. I want to come clean with you guys. I want you guys to know the truth. You know? I apologize that I got long earlier and then I got stopped out live on YouTube. And then I apologize that I got long here and then took profit. And then I apologize that I shorted there and then covered there. I do apologize. And I hope that nobody here holds that against me. You know, I hope that nobody, you know, I hope nobody lost money today because of my scam. So I want to give a full refund to everybody watching right now. Yeah, I feel bad. I feel bad. I feel bad. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry. I just want to say I'm sorry, okay? I just want to say, oh my, what the fuck? Bro. Dude, this market is on crack right now, chat. What is happening? What is the, what the, bro, what is happening? Why does it just keep doing this most insane shit today? 50 points from the 600s there, chat. 50 points, by the way. 50. Insanity. Straight up to the 650s now. It's not even 9 o'clock or anything. 8:46 right now. Crazy. Crazy. This shit's crazy, chat. Still going higher, by the way. 660s now. Wow. Okay, well. Yeah, I don't, what the fuck, man? Anybody short? Was anybody short here? Oh my lord, someone just blew their account. Someone just blew their account. Crazy times. Well, yeah. I don't know. Well, okay. Just continuing to go higher here now. Pretty awesome. 670s now. This market's on crack. It's on crack right now. We're up, oh my god. 80 points now. It's gonna be, it's gonna be a wild day. I'm telling, like, I know for a fact it's gonna be a wild fucking day here of trading. Like, no doubt in my mind right now that this is gonna be an absolute shit show of a wild day. And trust me, I have seen some shit shows of a day, and this is already shaping up to be a shit show of a day. Gonna be a lot of people blowing accounts today. And it's funny because what people think is that, like, oh man, when the market goes up, I bet a lot of people make money. But you'd be very, very, very surprised. Maybe not surprised. You'd be very surprised that more people blow up accounts when the market is trending than when the market is chopping. It does sound funny to say that, but like, there's a lot of people who are trying to short right now and they're getting blown up. So, crazy. Everything is pumping right now. Except for oil. Oh, oil down to 83 now. Oil at 83, dump fest. Look at the reversal on oil. Oil's going back down. God. After open, it's gonna dump. Maybe. Oh, through this all the way up there to that next pivot point. I mean, are we going all-time high today? 20. Here's all-time highs, by the way, on the NASDAQ on futures. I think based on, without the adjustment, we've already made new highs, but if you adjust it, so I don't know, is this new highs basically? Or is it, where is new highs or all-time high considered on NASDAQ futures? $660 or $824. We got some disagreements in the chat right now. Strait of Hormuz is officially open for commercial use. NASDAQ still gone. Gosh. That's crazy talk. That's some crazy shit right there, chat. This is crazy. Crazy. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Gonna pick you up. Gonna let you down. Never gonna turn around and desert you. That's what the NASDAQ sings to me every morning. Never gonna pick you up. Never gonna put you down. Never gonna turn around and desert you. All right, I'm gonna lock out of these accounts. So these are my Lucid accounts today. I got 5 Lucid funded accounts. On Monday, we passed the evals, right? We passed the pro evals. 1 day to pass them, you can, and then activated same day. So these are my actual, this is my actual stats for the Lucid Pro account, right? Pro 50K account. And you can see on the week right now, 5,476. I've got 5 of these accounts. So let's go. We're ready to party, baby. We can make the money. Very happy with that. That is a good week. That's a good week, right? We basically, I mean, think about it. Monday, we passed the eval. Monday, we made money in the funded. And then, yeah. we did it, you know? Like, we did it. So, that's cool. I'm happy with that. That's what we wanted to do. Shout out to Lucid for that same day activation. You can pass an account, same day activate it, all in the same day. So, all in the same day, buddy boy. All in the same day. Who the fuck that guy? All in the same day. I might just go on vacation early. Turn the stream off and say goodbye, children. I'll see you when I see you. I'll see you when I see you. How much contracts or minis do you consider taking with a 50K account? Normally one contract per account, right? So 1 contract per account, that's 5 total contracts. You know? Right? Does that make sense? I have to remember sometimes that, you know, people obviously have not been trading as long as I have. Things in my head sound, they make sense to me, but they might not make sense to somebody else watching. So apologies, I'm not the best teacher, that's for sure. I am not the best teacher, but I try to help. I try to help when I can. Is D-Money gonna make an appearance? Nope. D-Money will be on later after I get off. So, am I gonna go surfing in Costa Rica? No, we're going sail fishing. We got a big surfing. We got a big fishing tournament in Costa Rica, so. PW, can I have a free Lucid account? No. No, you can't. Get out of here. Can you trade the SPY on Warbucks? No. GK Trader says, I have seen enough to say that you are a good trader. You know? You gotta love this. Sketch says, I listened to you 1 year ago and I thought you were a scammer. But then a year later, I understand everything you're saying and realize it's true. I mean, Eli the disciple. Guys, Eli, I do want to say thank you for buying a Warbucks account, but you gotta read the rules, man. You gotta read the FAQ, my friend. Please read the FAQ, okay? If you go to the Warbucks FAQ website, just, you know, learn a little bit about it, and you go right here. What is a trading session? The trading session starts at 9:30 till 3:55. So with stocks, the stock market doesn't start trading until 9:30. Yep. PW, I'll give you a high five if you let me go fishing with you. I'm gonna have to take a hard pass, sir. But yeah, Eli, the market does not open until 9:30. Joe Schmo said that I'm a good trader, but I probably need meds. What's your net worth, Joe Schmo? What's your net worth? Think about that for a second. What's your net worth, Joe Schmo? I need meds? Maybe you need meds. Maybe you're fucking brainwashed fucking idiot. He needs meds. Like, well, fuck, what kind of meds am I gonna take? Meds for winning too much? Meds for getting too many fucking boners? Meds for fucking being too sexy? Meds for what? What am I gonna need meds for, Joe Schmo? What do I need meds for, Joe? What do you want me? What do you want? What, I need some antidepressant? I need some what? I don't even know what I need. God, take your fucking meds and put them up your asshole. Oh my God. NASDAQ still making new highs. Calm down, take your meds. Yeah, you real funny. Oh, man. Everybody be hating, but I'm already green on the fucking day. I can just walk away right now, go to my private jet and get my dick sucked. But, you know, whatever. NASDAQ's still fucking pumping. What in the good Lord is happening? This is crazy right now. Look at that. New hourly candle just opened. Crazy. That might be the biggest hourly candle we've had all week long. I think it is. I think that's the biggest hourly candle that we've had all week. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. All right, I'm gonna lock out of these accounts. So these are my Lucid accounts, right? We got 5 of these accounts. We're up $978 on the day in these Lucid accounts. So I'm gonna go like this, right? I'll go to manual lockout. I'll go end of day. That way I can't do nothing stupid, right? Can't do nothing stupid because I locked it. Yes. Boom! All right, so the good news is, guess what? We now have locked in a guaranteed $5,400 in profit this week, right? I'm not tooting my own horn. I'm not sitting here telling you that I'm a better day trader than everybody else on this YouTube website, web place. You know, I'm not doing that. I'm not making claims. I'm just trading live on YouTube, guys. You can believe me, you can hate me, you can call me a scam, but you can't say that if you go back and you watch every single video that I made this week live on YouTube, every live stream, if you go back and if you took pretty much every single trade that I called out and that I entered live on YouTube, right? Every single trade, even the losers, you can't say that you wouldn't be green on the week. And I'm not saying that you should take every trade that I take, but the point here is that I showed every single trade this week that I took live on YouTube, right? Every, like, power hour, pre-market, everything. And the results speak for themselves. So, yeah. Green is green. And, well, I'm green. Right now, NASDAQ, I would expect some kind of pullback here, guys. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe we just go all the way to all-time highs before market open. We got 30 minutes here till market opens. We got 30 minutes till market opens here. All right. PW, I need Warbucks merch. Oh, I think we got it. We might have Warbucks merch somewhere. I feel like we have Warbucks merch. I don't know. Maybe we don't. Maybe we do. I don't know. I swear we do. I don't know. See, that's this. I like this comment, right? PW, I thought you were a scammer for a while, but you are in fact good or the best. But it's your personality which people don't understand. Or, you know, I think maybe it's not that people don't understand my personality. It's that people have been brainwashed into thinking that I am the issue with the world, right? That this guy, he's loud, he's obnoxious, he's got an ego, right? He says whatever's on his mind. He says the R word. He says, you know, he talks about being gay. Like, everything that I do, it's just me, right? Like, I'm just being me live on YouTube. I'm trading live. I'm showing the trades. And there's a lot of people out there that have been basically told that, like, yeah, this is toxic. This guy's toxic. He's toxic. You know, and that's like, people get brainwashed into thinking that I am the issue with the world. When the truth is, the people that quote unquote don't speak the truth, the quote unquote that tell you what you want to hear, that's the issue, you know, with the world. We've created a very soft world. A lot of very soft men on this planet. People get upset because somebody on the internet said that they're fat or they're gay or they're retarded. You know, like, it just, who cares? Why, like, if I die tomorrow, if we die, if I die on a plane on the way to Costa Rica, like, ain't none of that shit gonna matter because I'm gonna be dead. And it's just like, we sitting around worried about, oh, so-and-so. Like, even this morning I was on Twitter and I was looking at Twitter and, like, all these people always want to be talking about me. Everybody always wants to talk about me. Oh, Patrick this, Patrick that. And it's just like, you only hate me because you want to be me, right? Like, you only hate me because at the end of the day, I'm making millions of dollars doing exactly what the other influencers want to be doing. But they talk about me because it's just, they got nothing else to talk about. I can't help it. I can't help it that I'm so good looking. I can't help it that my muscles are about to blow out of this fucking shirt. I might just rip it off at some point. You never know. I can't help it, chat. I'm just on another level. And I got the testosterone it's just through the roof right now. I'm making too much money, right? I don't know what to do with all the money. I just buy and stuff. Buy a ping pong table. Beat the D money at the ping pong. I can't help it. I just can't help it. Right now, the NASDAQ. Can't help it either. The NASDAQ's like, don't hate me. Love me. Don't hate me. Hate me. Love me. Oh my God. Look at oil. Oil into the grave right now. Dump, dump, dump. Welcome to Trump's America. Oil's free for everybody. No more income tax. No more gasoline. It's all just free. Free for everybody. If you vote for Trump, you get free gas and you get free taxes. If you're a liberal, well, you get to pay $7 taxes. I mean, $7 taxes. You get to pay $7 oil or $7 gasoline, and also you get to you get to pay taxes. I think that would be only fair, right? Honestly, think about it, right? If all the liberals out there who want to pay more taxes, that want to pay for more, want to pay for green, green sources of energy, I'll be like, yeah, man, like you do you, baby. Hey, you do you. You could, if you want to eat fucking vegan tofu, that's all you, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and eat steak. I'm gonna drive big trucks, and I'm gonna work hard. That's it, baby. Oh man, I don't know. This is just crazy. Crazy moves. I still can't believe that. Talk about like, this is what I love about the market, right? Everybody was so bearish. Everybody was so bearish. Beginning of the week, everybody was like, oh, we're gonna crash. Look at it now. What the 760s now, dude. Come on, this is crazy. It's absolutely crazy right now. I saw a guy on Twitter. He's been shorting the NASDAQ since 2022. He posted about it. He's like, yeah, I just keep rolling my puts. Rolling his puts. Losing money since 2022. So yeah, it just keeps going, guys. So either you just go long and just fucking close your eyes, or I don't know. We still got plenty of time here till market opens. PW, what does your next chapter look like? It's too early to know, really. Too early to know. Too early to know, chat. Wow, 789 now. Oh, what's crazy? What's insane is that we were long down here at the fucking 90 area earlier. Insane. Oil down about 15% right now. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting a little worried. About having to pay paying $20 a gallon for gas. Crazy. Oh man, oh man. There it is, 28,800 tapped. Guys, it's gonna be wild and crazy today. It's crazy! The yellow line up here is the adjusted all-time high for NASDAQ. Futures. Oh my lord. Crazy work right now, chat. Crazy work. Oil down 14%, 15% on the day right now. What's the biggest green day for the BDH? I think we've had some $100,000 days before. We've had some $100,000 days for sure. What do you guys think about my new truck? Check this bad boy out. Check it out. What's it all about? You can't really see it, but oh yeah, you can. Look, it says BDH on the wheels, bro. On the wheels! We got the spinners on there. Oh man, you gotta love it. This is my truck for towing the trailer and stuff. That's the outside of the BDH here. We got the big old rooster. Got the logo up there, but yeah, we got the BDH on the wheels now. Looking fancy, chat. Looking fancy. Dude. Crazy times. Crazy times, chat. It's a crazy time. Still going, NASDAQ still going here. Absolutely insane. Insane, the membrane. You truly have to love it. You truly have to love it. Sometimes. Not all the time. Sometimes. All right. Getting closer and closer to market opening up here. I feel like we got against a pullback here, right? Like, I mean, what the fuck, man? What the fuck? What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button. We're doing it live from the BDH. Right now, the NASDAQ going to the absolute moon. We've taken a few trades, made about $5,000 here so far this morning. $5,000. We did it live on YouTube with the crew. We're up about $25,000 this week in my Lucid accounts. That's right. If you're just now tuning in, go ahead and just let me know in the chat how thankful you are for my continued, just mentoring of you, just my mentoringship of you. So, you just let me know. All right, you guys let me know. You just tell me. You just tell me. You just tell me. All right, we got no major news today. Nothing out of the norm. Kind of the same old, same old. It's a Friday. Market going to the, well, I guess the major news was, Hormuz or the Strait being open, but we don't have any data. We don't have any numbers coming out. No one's really supposed to be speaking today. Market could just go high. But I would like to see some kind of pullback, right? We just get a little bit of a pullback here at open. We got a big gap, about 300 points to the downside from yesterday's close. So playing it safe, I think, is the best play here. We already made money. We locked out of our account, the Lucid accounts this morning so far. So we're locked out of the Lucid accounts, and now it's just nothing but sitting back and waiting for the right opportunities. The right opportunity will present itself. You can see here, these are my Lucid accounts. I started these accounts on Monday with you guys live. We passed 5 of the evals for the pro accounts. We passed 5. You can get funded in the very same day, by the way. So if you pass your evals with Lucid, you can activate them to be funded the very same day. So it's kind of nice, when the market's hot. You pass an eval, you get funded, you make some money. So we are up a little over $5,000 total P&L here in these accounts. 50K accounts and $5,000. We are ready for a payout here. So after 5 days of trading, we're ready for a payout. That's not bad. It's not bad. That's not bad. 5 days, Monday through Friday, basically. Monday, had those evals ready to go, and then traded them, got ready for a payout, and now we can get paid. How much can I get paid from those accounts? I haven't even looked at the FAQ on those accounts. Let me look. All information on the Lucid Pro plan. Consistency, Lucid payouts. Yeah, it's $2,000. Or wait, yeah, $2,000 for those 50K accounts. That's $10,000 payout this week with Lucid. I'll take it. I'll take a $10,000 payout for 5 days of work. 5 days of work, $10,000 in payout. Let's go. We're getting ready for a market open here. So I got about 11 minutes here. 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Let's go. Uh-oh, we got some MVPs in the chat. Who we got here? Not that one. This one. Jennifer, PW, seen your excitement with those monster trucks. Adrenaline at a whole new level. I think you surpassed your adrenaline of day trading. I hope not. Day trading's my drug of choice. I saw we had Tanner Simmons dropping some love too. Trading was so hard in the Warrior trading days. Pennies were terrible. Futures and props, so much better. Shout out to Tanner, getting them big payouts. Let's go. Were your Lucid straight to funded? No, they were pro accounts. Lucid pro accounts. PW, can we get another free membership? Bro, you already got the membership. You look at that. You got my name next to you. You got my name next to you, man. Today is OPEX. Wild OPEX. What do you think is better, the pro or the flex accounts? I mean, the pro account ain't bad. BDH is the abbreviation for what? Big Dick House. Send out a free Lucid Pro. Tell Denny. Denny, we want Lucid Pros. Give me Lucid Pros, Denny. Give them to me right now. Big stud house. That could be a new thing. The BDH studs. We're putting the BDH back in studs. Yes, masculine lesbians are the mascots of the... Oh, man. I wonder if Ginger got any applications to be the official BDH stud. You know? Where did we need some studs up in this bitch. Lesbians in the BDH would be nice, Christian said. What are you talking about, Christian? PW, what is your view on open? I mean, the NASDAQ has only gone to the moon, chat, so... You got two ways to look at this, right? This could be like a big head and shoulders play kind of building out here. So you have the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, and then we pull back here. So what we want to be careful with is, number one, this kind of needs to be our higher low area. So we're going to bounce, and we bounce here off the 700s. We push up, we get stuck. Well, then we're going down. So really, we got to invalidate that. And how do we invalidate that? Basically, you want this to almost like pull back and then come up into here like that. That would be like the more ideal setup, right? You just don't want this to like pull back here, push up here, get denied, and then pull back. I mean, I made plenty of money here pre-market with you guys, so anybody that's just now showing up, think about that, right? Think about the fact that a lot of people have already made money this morning. Will there be more continued buyers at the upside here, or do we get a pullback on some profit taken this week? If you look at the weekly candle, it is quite interesting. All-time high pretty much right there. Can we tap it? $27,000 area. Can we go? I think these are the biggest daily candles we've had in quite some time. This one right now is insane. If this candle goes higher and then closes like up here, I don't even know what to think. Someone said retracement could be good. Maybe. What's Bitcoin? I haven't looked at what's Bitcoin doing. Really, you want to see oil dumping as well. So Bitcoin breaking out here, 76,000 now. 76,900 on Bitcoin. All right, all right, all right. What is a good price for a wrap on a car? I mean, just depends on the company. Someone said, I just want to wish you a great holiday. Hey, I appreciate that, PG. I appreciate that, PG. Dylan said, PW, to be honest, your loudness is addicting. Maybe because you represent the majority of us seeing through the bullshit. Well, you know. Oh my God. It just did it. Oh no, wait, sorry. That was Bitcoin trying to go through 77,000 right now. Wow. Look at that pump. Look at that pump, chat. Crazy. Crazy. I just put a code in the chat there. Just put a code in the chat for Lucid 100K account for all the people that are watching right now. There's one code. Who's going to get it? Lucid 100K account. Shout out to Lucid. Oh my Lord. What a time. What a time to be alive. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button. We're getting ready for a market open up here. It's Fresh Cash Friday. We got 2 minutes. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Make a little bit of money. Big pullbacks, big volatility here. Will we get a big move at open? Let's see. Already pulling back here. Already pulling back here. Yeah, if the code don't work, that means that somebody else got it, guys. The code only works for one person. Just hang on. We got more giveaways coming up. We got more giveaways coming up. We got more. We got more. I got more. We got. Look at this big dump right now. No reason to do anything here. Just be relaxed, chat. Relax, chat. It's a pro account. Oh, Lord. All right, we're getting ready here. Market open. Market open. Coming up 30 seconds. Ideally, you'd want to see a big dump here at open, to be honest. Right? A big dump. A big dump is what you kind of want to see. Just kind of reset this a little bit. Let's see what happens. I think if it gets back above like 760 area, I might try a long for continuation. Just gotta need to kind of see what happens here once the market opens up. If this thing starts dumping, it could be a waterfall straight down. So just be careful. Just be careful. Got a little bit of a bear flag right now forming. If we get below 680s, be looking for like a 580 area, baby. I like that. 680 short, basically like through this low here for the waterfall down. We're short. That was 10 points, 20 points. Can we get more? First 1 minute candle of the day here. Ugh. All right, we are short here on the NASDAQ. Not financial advice. There's that pop right back up, so we might have to get out. Let's see. If we get back above 630, I would just reverse this and see if we're going to go to the moon here today. Got my stop. We'll stay right here, 640s, and then we're going to reverse. If we break back above 640s, 740s, I'm looking to... Because remember, this is that kind of bear, not the bear flag, and also that like reverse head and shoulders. So getting stuck below 620s again, 720s. If we lose 680s, I'm going to add to this short, guys. I'm going to add to this short now. I want this thing straight fucking down, boys. Straight down. Through 720s again. I mean, through 680s. I want to start seeing it go, go, go. Go, go, go. We got a little double top there at the 720s. I want to see this dump here. Start dumping for me, chat. $660s now. Looking for 650s, 650s here. Stop is moving down as well. Stop is at 700 now. We're only risking a little bit. I don't like this push right back up again. Oh my Lord. Give me a waterfall here, chat. Give me a waterfall. I want to see this go, go, go. I'm going to get out right there. I just take it. I'll take it. Fucking A. Look at this. Now it's going to go. There we go. 650s. I took a profit earlier for you guys. Look at that. $600 per account. There it is. Down. Oh, baby Jesus. Come on. How did I get fucking scared out of that? These wicks just got me tricking. The fact that this wick like took out that wick and then popped right. Ugh. Hey, either way, shorts are getting paid right now. Congratulations if you're short from this 700 level. She could go all the way downtown. 600s next. Watch 600s. It's possible. That's still, you know, 680, 668 area, whatever. Fucking A, look at that thing. Fine, now it's dumping. Classic. Just classic. I might look to get back in short depending on what happens here. Right, I like maybe trying to short. A little pushback up here again. We do have that big gap to the downside. I feel like if we're gonna go lower, we're gonna break 600s here sooner than later. So watching this candle now, I'm gonna short there. And see if we don't get stuck below 700 again. I would basically, like, this candle needs to start dumping here and be like a wick. That'll be like a big wick back up, but she's still holding on there. Obviously, a lot of strength in the market right now, but just kind of playing into some pullback here. Profit taken Friday. Yeah, it's not good. That 660 area holding right there, not ideal. That last candle that I shorted, I would rather have seen a wick there. So I might just put like a quick target down here. See if it gets filled. If not, we'll get stopped out there. Yeah. Not good. Straight back up here now. If we get back above 700, I'm gonna get long. This is that like moment of truth area. We don't want it back above 690s, I'd say now. And then if we get back into the green, I'm gonna try to add into it like on the short on the way down. But see how it's just like stuck there now. I'm gonna jump out. I don't like how it's like wicking there. I think it's gonna try to pop these little 720 highs now. Let's see. Watching. Possibly looking for a long here now, chat. We can't go down. Market's been going up all week. Just trying to scalp here. I'd say if we get back below this 660 area, maybe there's a nice little short there to continue to lower, but this candle right now is trying to push back up, so. Watching right here. Basically back above 700, I'm long. Watching. All right. She's trying to get back above 700. There we go. Okay, we're waiting. We're just want to make sure there's not going to be like a swipe of 700. All right, I'm long now. Trying to add into this as we push here and then try to sell everything for that squeeze up here. Break through the 720s. Tapping 720s. We break out 720s, see if we go straight to like 750 area. Tricky open here, very tricky open. Still, just like a big, massive chop range right now. I basically don't want these candles making new lows. If the candle starts making new lows, then obviously we got to get out of the long. But right now, we're still holding above that previous candle low, so we'll see. But got to give it a little bit of room here. A lot of volatility right now. A lot of volatility. We get through the 720 level, see if we get a new high coming up here today. Getting tight again, 720, 710s. Let's go, come on. Push through there. Kind of looking to add here too. I think if we squeeze through 715 area, I'm gonna add. Trouble. Still the same game plan. Oh, Lord. I don't like that rejection there. Gonna get out for now. Just couldn't get that move up, so let's be patient here. Fucking A. Wow, are you kidding me? Right back up. Stopped out, right back up. All right, same game plan. Above 720s. Above 720s, long again. Painful right now. Trying to push here again. Looking for a long, if we get above like these candles highs, but very tight, right? Very, very tight. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen. They're trying right now, trying to push, but the fuck? I think it's gonna squeeze. Fucking A, boys. I mean, things getting real tight here. No trade, but if we get pushing back through this high, these candles, I'm getting in. I'm getting in. We're trying. There's that 700 tapping. All right, we're long. Trying to add into this. Try to go straight up through 720s now. Tight. Wow. Gonna get stopped here. Fucking A. Sorry. God. Back up again. Oh my Lord. Wow. It's impressive right now. This is absolutely impressive right now, actually. It's impressive right now, chat. Like, you gotta just be impressed by this. How are we just stuck here? All right, break through the 720 area. I think we got, like, we're going straight up. But clearly 720's got to go. Wow. They're just sitting there. Everybody's selling 720s today, I guess. Everybody. The whole fucking market's selling 720s. Are you, what is happening right now? Wow. Market was moving better in pre-market than it was now. Crazy. It's got like something big is coming. How are they not breaking 720s? Crazy right now. I just can't. Are you kidding me? Well, sorry. I don't know what to do. I don't, yeah, it's over. Fucking market. It's rigged. Fucking A. NASDAQ just stuck there at 720 over and over and over. Classic. Can't make this shit up sometimes. I don't even know. I don't even know how that's possible, to be honest. I don't even know how it's possible. Straight down here now. Crazy. It's crazy work. If we try to go short, will it go lower, you think? We'll try that. Go short, go lower. Ooh, go for 600 break. Go over 600 break here. Wow. Fuck yeah. Straight back up. Look at the box we got going on right now. It's epic. Epic box right now. Wow. This is, it's kind of funny. You got to think about it. Right back up again. What in the absolute fuck? Crazy range right now, chat. Absolutely insane range right now. Now we're gonna go break 720s. This 5-minute candle right now. Look at this fucking 5-minute candle. Look at all these 5-minute fucking candles. It's crazy. If this breaks 720s, like I'm not selling till 800s. I'm not selling till 800. Like 800 or I don't give a fuck. It's 800 or nothing. It's 800 or nothing. It's 800 or nothing, chat. I don't even care. You can see pre-market high is kind of what I'm targeting. 800 level. $700 is breaking. 720 broke. I ain't selling until 800, chat. I don't care what anyone says. Trying to push through there. Got two big wicks on the bottom of those 15-minute candles there. So. Let's see if these bulls are going to play. I actually added on this pullback here too. So adding on this pullback, looking for 800s or more. It's either 800, it's up here or nothing. It's either we go big or we're going home. I got an $80,000 fucking private jet to pay for today, chat. I need more money. I need more money. We gotta go higher. Higher, NASDAQ. Higher. JK. JK, it's not gonna never go higher again. And right back down again. Classic. Well, you know what they say. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But the moral of the story here is that you don't give up. Don't give up, chat. Never give up. Never surrender. You know, even when you're losing, you don't stop. You just can't stop it. You gotta keep going. Keep going. Oh my lord. Just trying to make a little bit of money, man. What the fuck, NASDAQ? Just kind of make a little bit of money here. Just trying to make a little bit, man. Like $5, make you holla. That's all. ES is pushing. ES is trying to push. NASDAQ's holding up here. If we get above 20s again, I'll add some more. We want to kind of break out through this 20 area again. Come on, Trump. Tweet something. Tweet something, Trump. Tweet me, Trump. Tweet me, Trump. Tweet something. Tweet something, Trump. Tweet something, Trump. I need you to tweet, man. Why won't Trump tweet something? It's crazy. Crazy work right now, chat. Crazy work. Crazy work right now, chat. It's crazy work. Crazy work. Well, it's still just holding up there, to be honest. It ain't pretty, but it is holding. ES just kind of broke out to the upside, the 15-minute range. Will the NASDAQ continue following, continue follow? You got the Dow pushing up. Dow just made new highs on the day. You got the Dow making new highs. You got the ES pushing 7,140. It might take some time, but I think we could get there. You know, but I haven't been right yet, so let's see. I'm looking to add if we break through 720 strong here again. I want to see more push. I'm going to help the market go higher, boys. Don't worry. I'm buying to push. I'm going to push my own market higher. 720s again. Fuck. Crazy. How are they going to do this to me? How are you going to do this to me, NASDAQ? $720s again. Again. Market makers are watching my stream. They're watching my stream. Fuck, come on. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe, you know. Hey, I need some help, man. I need some help, man. Seeds Grow says D-Money always has a reason why he's getting into trades. Hey, Seeds Grow, ask D-Money when the last time he got a $100,000 payout is, you dumb motherfucker. God. Patrick, why are you going to get in this trade? I don't know. Because the ES is making new highs, the Dow's making new highs. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm making money right now, you fucking moron. Hey, if anybody wants to ever compare me with D-Money, just ask D-Money to show you how many payouts he's gotten this year. Okay, just ask him. And then we'll compare. And then we can compare the numbers. Okay, that's all you gotta say. That's the only discussion that we need to have. I've got over $200,000 in payouts from prop firms. Okay, I'm chilling. I'm not worried about it. It's all good. Can we push? Very simple idea here. Looking for 26,800 level or higher. The overnight high, right? ES is going for overnight high. Dow's pushing. Everything's lining up here, chat. I'm not even stressing right now. I ain't even stressing. You know? James, do you ever trade with your own money? Yes, I trade with my own money. Thank you, James. Appreciate your support, though, James. People asking me, Patrick, you ever trade with your own money? No, never trade with my own. Yes, I trade with my money. Anybody want a code for Lucid? Anybody want a Lucid code? I'd give a Lucid code out, but you know, chat's been a naughty chat today. They naughty. Naughty chat. Naughty. Look at this shirt. My muscles are so big, it's fucking popping out. Popping out, chat. By the way, if you got long in the 700 area, that's about 50 points to the upside there. So W's in the chat. W's in the chat. You know what I mean? Give me some W's, chat. Give me some W's. I want W's. If you guys want D-Money to come on live at 11, you got to give me more W's. I want so many W's. I want so many W's. I need 5,000 W's to get D-Money to come live. More likes, more everything. Oh, we got Jenny dropping $22. Jenny from the block. What up, Jenny from the block? 20. You're not far behind me on payouts. Well, shit. I better get to work. I better get to work, Jenny. Jenny, I better get to work then. Better get to work today. For all the haters in the chat, they'd be like, Patrick, you never make no money. I mean, there you go, little buddies. My Lucid accounts this week, I got them funded on Monday. I got them, I bought evals Monday morning. We passed them live on YouTube. We made $500 in the funded account after that. And then, yeah, we're ready for a payout, baby. Payout. Total P&L. Let's go, baby. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Right now, NASDAQ still pushing. Still pushing, NASDAQ. How high can we go? 800s or nothing. 800 or nothing, I'm out. 800 or nothing. It's either 800 or nothing. I had to spend $80,000 for a private jet today, chat. $80,000 for a private jet. I gotta make my money. I gotta make some money here, chat. That private jet ain't cheap. I gotta make some money here, chat. I gotta make some money, chat. Dude. They hate us until they ain't us. If you know what I mean, you know? I gotta post this on Twitter now. Say, hey everybody, big boy's here. Big daddy. Big daddy. Where'd that fucking photo go? Oh, no, wait. Wait, oh my lord, it's all falling apart. Everything's falling apart right now. It's 800 or bust, chat. 800 or bust. ES already made new highs. ES made new highs from the overnight session. So trying to follow the NASDAQ up here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. It's free to like, free to subscribe. PW, do you have a tour of your trading room? Yeah, on YouTube, bro. Someone said, I'm sure the boat, the gas, and hiring the captain in Costa Rica is more expensive than the private plane. No, honestly, it's not. The private jet's about 80 grand. To go fishing for a week in Costa Rica, it's probably only like 50 grand, so... Yeah, the private jet's the most expensive part of the whole fucking trip. For the private jet, it's basically $10,000 like an hour. All right, we're 10 o'clock, hourly candle, obviously just opened. ES is still pumping. NASDAQ's trying to get up there to my 800 level. I called the NASDAQ, I said, listen, go up, blow up, show up, happy, drink Bacardi. We're going to Costa Rica. We're going to Costa Rica. I told you that 720 area was gonna break. Okay, I knew it. Today was a pretty good example of just trying to, like, you know, will trades into existence, I think. A little bit of just like trying to like make something happen when it wasn't actually happening. If I would have just waited for that 720 break, well then, you know, we'd be in a lot better place right now. But if we can get up there 800s, I like it. I like it a lot. Come on. La 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 la. Gotta get my P&L up there bigger somehow. How do I get it bigger? Somehow. Bigger. Yeah, like that. Yeah, looks better. Looks better. I want everybody to make sure they can see my fucking P&L here, motherfuckers. Ha ha ha, all the haters. Can you see my P&L? Can you guys see it? Is it legible? Can you see it? Can you see it on the screen? I just want to confirm. Can you see it on the screen? Does everybody know what's happening? Does everybody know what's happening right now? Does everybody know? I want to make sure everybody knows. Is that good? Does everybody see it? Chat would be like, "Kid, are you long? Patrick, are you long or are you short? Patrick, did you get long? Hey, you never told us you got long." Oh, God. Patrick, you never told us. You right. You right. You right, chat. You right. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You right. You right, chat. You right. You right. You right, chat. You right. All right. We're trying to push. The ES is still making new highs. The NASDAQ has not made a new high yet. So, I mean, you know, we real close. We real close. So, let's squeeze them. Squeeze them. Oh, guys, I got the song for us. It might work, it might not. So don't be mad at me. Are you ready? There's only one song that can be played right now. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it, pump it, pump it. Damn it. Bro, ever since I put this trade, ever since I put the music on, the market's pulled back. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Go pump it up. You got to pump it up. Let's pump it. Pump it. Pump it, pump it. That is not the song up there. New music chime. We'll try some new music. It's the longest trade of my life, chat. If we push through here, I'm gonna add. I feel good about it. Basically, like through this 70 level again, I'm gonna add another one. We're gonna just add another one. Winners, winners. Winners win, losers lose. We got 20 seconds left here on this 15-minute candle. She needs to go. So basically, yeah, above 770s. See if we can push here. ES is still trying to make new highs. NASDAQ's lagging. All right, I just added another one there. Why not? It's free. Free money. Free money. We're going for 100 points. It's make or break, chat. I'm doing it for the chat today. People say that I don't know what I'm doing trading. They said I never make no money. So I'm showing everybody that I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Me, 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 me. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Me, me, me. Push, push, push. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. I mean, that like I said, the fact that you know, we'll call it the pre-market high, overnight high, whatever you want to call it. We have not tapped it yet. The ES is still pushing after already kind of breaking out through all that. So I'm like, is the NASDAQ going to follow ES here? Right? That's kind of, you know, like, hey, the Dow made new highs. The ES tried to make new highs. You got to see the NASDAQ will follow. It's a lot of money. I know it's a lot of money. I probably should take profit, but hey, how often do I get to do fresh? I said fresh cash. I was going to come correct. Chat, I told you I was going to come correct for Fresh Cash Friday. Did I not? Right? It would only be wrong for me not to fucking go for the bang. You know, the full fucking Monty. Fucking whip out my cock and let everybody see that 3 inches at 100 miles an hour gets the job done every time. 770, let's get it. 770, let's go. Break out there. Break out there. The moment of truth. Come on, man. Just do it for me, NASDAQ. Get a ripper here. Boner candle right through the 800s. Come on, that's 40 points. Nothing. It's nothing, NASDAQ. That is nothing. That is nothing, NASDAQ. Ugh. It's nothing, NASDAQ. It is nothing. Ugh. Little pullback here, retest that 15-minute range. Staying long, staying strong. You can see right now, we're kind of pulling back 750 area. That's that high from earlier, you know, so. Just gotta have to see if we can stay alive here, chat. We're trying. We're trying, chat. We're trying, man. I'm just a guy, all right? I don't know. I'm just a guy, man. Is anybody excited about the new Spider-Man movie? Sir, the guy in the chat that just asked about the Spider-Man movie, I'm about to put you in timeout. I'm about to put you in timeout, sir. I'm about to put you in timeout, sir. Where'd that go? You don't ask about the Spider-Man movie while, you know, while we're in a trade, sir. On new issue day. On new issue day. On new issue day. You're worried about the fucking Spider-Man movie. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Spider-Man movie? The fucking Spider-Man movie? I'm fucking doing motherfuck! Spider-Man movie? Fuck! Fuck! On motherfucking new issue day. Spider-Man movie. God. All right, little pullback there. Nothing to be alarmed about. Nothing to be alarmed about. Pulling back here again. Oh, man. On new issue day, man. On new fucking issue day, man. Kidding me right now. You gotta be kidding me, man. All right, I think we get back above this EMA area. I'm gonna add again. I don't know. The ES is like still pushing. NASDAQ like pulled back here, but I don't know. I still think we're gonna make new highs here today at some point. It might take a while. Like I might be sitting here for 5 hours watching this go up and down, ping-ponging. I want us like to basically start to push like back up through here, and then I'm gonna add. God. Ba-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da. All right, well, just kind of sitting here watching it do nothing. ES is up 7,152 area, like right there at the highs, you know, above all-time highs and all that. And the NASDAQ right now pulling back here, but ES is again trying to push. Dow's making new highs. I don't know, man. I don't know. Something's cooking. Something is cooking right now. Something is actually cooking. Come on. This is kind of that moment of truth. Like, are we going to put in a higher low here, right? Like, if I was not in a trade right now, I'd be getting long here, trying to play this bounce. So basically, like back above 755, 760 area, the long basically would be the play, right? So if you're watching right now and you're like, what do I do, Patrick? You're already in a trade. Well, I think, you know, you pull back, you're pulling back into this 15-minute range. So if we start to push out of here, well then 800 comes next. Obviously not financial advice. I have no idea what I'm doing. So just putting that out there, you know, be cautious. Market's up big today. It's Friday. Anything's possible. We could get a dumb candle straight down from here. Who knows? But if we can get above that 760 area, we should be moving towards 800 next. But you know, it's not. It doesn't always play out how you want it to. It's a chop zone here now. Chop City. Like I said, I like adding, or I like longs basically like above 755 here, right? That gets us towards this level. So if there's still more squeeze left in the tank, that would be the play. 755 to basically take another long for a push up. Five-minute chart looks good. We got a wick on the bottom of those two candles. So now we just want to see that, you know, that green body come in here and just fucking go right through the 55s, and then we're real primed up. You know what I mean, chat? You feel what I'm putting down? Why above 760? I mean, that's pretty much the high of his last. That high is 54, but like kind of 55, 60 area breakthrough. We got it, you know, to go higher. So I mean, if this 5-minute candle can break through 55, that'd be a good move. And then you look for like the next candle to open, maybe pull back a little bit, and then ramp up from there, right? Why 755 and not 748? Well, 748 is the high of this 5-minute candle, but I kind of want to see this wick, the wick on this candle get taken out, right? You got 20 seconds here. Will they be able to do it? Will they be able to do it? It's got to get, like you can see now, we got more trouble there at the 50, 750 area. All right, new 5-minute candle just opened, so we kind of want to see some strength here. I like it. Up there through the 55s now. Just want to give it a second. This 1-minute candle just opened. Give it a second. There's no, like, no retest really yet. It's just like straight up here. I don't like how there's no wick on the bottom of that 1-minute candle there. It just could be a trap. See the 5-minute candle just opened. There's no wick on the bottom of that 5-minute candle, but we'll see what happens there. Go to the 2-minute chart, see what we got. Looks a little bit better. She's pumping now, boys. Let's go. All right, so now we're kind of looking to see if we can buy a pullback into that EMA again. If we do get one, we're already up. I mean, we got 13 contracts, so I'll see what happens here. But like we said, basically above 55, that's 10 points or so, almost 10 points. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. I want W's. I want W's in the chat. No W's, no party with me. W's, W's. WW's. WW's. Love him or hate him, you can't help but watch. I mean, you got a good point there, my friend. Even my haters are watching. Even my haters are watching. Hey, that was a textbook trade right there, chat. Textbook trade. Congratulations if you took that textbook trade. Why was it a textbook trade, right? We had the 15-minute range. 15-minute range. Bam, bam, bam. You know where it is. And then we pull back. We put a wick in there. We bounced. We bounced. We start pushing. And like I said, basically getting back above the high of those candles there, that 750 area, gets you back up into here, and then that's 20 points. If you can't make money on 20 points, you're doing something wrong. So we love to see it. Now can we get the fucking real move here, boys? Can we go all the way for daddy? Can we go all the way for daddy here? I mean, I think it's possible. I truly think it's possible. Oh my Lord, what a time to be alive right now. Do you love it? Do you love it? Do we love it? Do we love it, chat? 800, let's get it! On new fucking issue day, chat. New fucking issue day. I fucking love you guys. BDH for fucking life. Right? People think that BDH is just like a thing, but it is a fucking... It is a brotherhood. It is a cult. It is a cult of winning. It is a fucking cult of winning. It is a cult of winning. By the way, look how beautifully that played out. Just so you guys can see. Like I said, beautiful pullback into the 15-minute range. Look at this boner candle to the upside. Analyze the 5-minute chart. Wick, wick, wick. We got a pivot point. We're going, baby. Almost through the 800s now. I fucking love you guys. I fucking love you. I fucking love you. I love you. Don't worry, I got a song for you. Actually, I got a better one. I got a better one for you.
Guys, I think I figured it out. ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused, insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. And I sat there, pushed. And I fucking laid pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my god.
Pushed.
Little cut.
Yes. Pushed. I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my god.
Pushed.
Little cut. I got this.
So much higher. Can you take me higher? So much higher.
Don't worry, guys. I know
Little bit.
exactly how to make
Little
the
bit.
market go winner, winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
My girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big, big, big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big, big, big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Fucking push, 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 push. I sat there. Push, 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 push.
Going down hard.
Push, 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 push.
Oh my
Push, push,
god.
push, 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 push.
Little cunt.
Push, push, push,
Yes.
push, 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 push. I sat there. Push, 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 push.
Going down hard.
Push, 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 push.
Oh my
Push,
god.
push, 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 push.
Little cunt. The vertigo, man.
Vertigo, man.
The vertigo. The vertigo, man. The vertigo. The vertigo.
5-minute candle is pushing again. I like it. Little pullback, little push.
Vertigo.
It needs to keep going. 5-minute chart, absolutely textbook right now, guys. This is textbook, right? Textbook opening range breakout. If you're not a moron like me and you wait for the 15-minute range breakout, well, you know, you would be very, 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 very green right now, because look at this thing go. It was textbook. It pulls back. It bounces. 5-minute candles. Ding, 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 ding. Boner candle to the moon right there, my friends. You couldn't have not made money on that long. You could. It didn't matter what you did. You couldn't not have made money on that long. So shout out to everybody that listens, everyone who's smart in the chat, everyone that follows the plan. You're the MVPs of the day. I love you. We want to see more of you. Can we get this breakout? We need it to go. We need it to go. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. Let's go.
Pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
You got to pump it up. Don't you know?
Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.
You got to pump it up.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.
You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you fucking know? Don't you know? Don't you know? Chat, I'm not trying to tell anybody out there. Right, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that I'm the best to ever do it. Right, I'm not gonna say that. Right, I'm not gonna say that. I'll never say that. But let's be honest. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Right? Can we just be honest with each other? You, me, if you're watching right now, you just gotta admit it. Just go ahead and admit it. It's okay to admit that another man on the internet is sexier and smarter and richer. It's okay. right? It's okay to admit that. Because remember, I'm a man, you're a man. We're together in this battle together against the female women of the world. I mean, never mind, I'm just kidding. I love the women out there, but really though, we gotta stick together, boys. Hey, boys, guys, we gotta stop hating on each other, right? We gotta hate on the women. We gotta take the women down. Don't let the man-to-man, violence happen. It should be, we gotta put the women. Okay, I'm not even looking at the chat right now. I'm just kidding, brother. I'm kidding. I'm high on fucking life right now, boys. Come on. This is over 100 points right now. Over 100 points, chat. I just want, again, I fucking love you guys. I fucking love you. It is Fresh Cash Friday. It is such a fucking thing, man. Like, I get to wake up in the morning. I get to go on the internet and fucking just do my thing. Like, what a fucking privilege, man. I am absolutely privileged to be where I am. This is just the dream. And I say that, like, not kidding, right? I truly say that not kidding right now. I do fucking love this shit. I do wake up in the morning. I do get excited to trade. I want to do it for you guys. Like, I stress out. I do. I stress out because I'm like, what if, what if people just, they don't appreciate, like, what if they're not feeling what I'm putting down? What if it's getting lost in translation? When I'm talking about 3 inches at 100 miles an hour, or what are they thinking about? Are they thinking that my dick is small? Or I'm like, hey, no, I'm talking about the candle size. Like I worry, guys. I worry that there's a lot of, misinformation. A lot of people around the world, they speak different languages, right? We all speak different languages. Everybody's got their own language, their own slang. When I say BDH, it could be a lot of things. But at the end of the day, I mean, it's clearly big. I don't know what else to say. I don't know how else to put it. I do fucking love it, though. I do fucking love it. What a time to be alive, man. What a time. What a time. What a time, man. Look, and again, I mean, you can hate me. You can love me all you want. Sit there in the chat and say I'm terrible, blah, you're terrible, whatever you want, but you cannot deny the fact that before this move happened, while the market was pulling back, what did I clearly say? I'm like, hey, we get back above 750, 760, where are we fucking going, boys? We're going right there. So I don't know, what is that? Fuck yeah, that's up there to the 830s now, so that's 60, 70, 80 points, if you made 20, 30 points. I don't understand why anybody in this stream would not be extremely, extremely happy right now, right? Like, how are people not happy? Because I couldn't, I can't, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Everybody should just be happy. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. We're doing it together. I love you guys. Look at that. It's still going. 840, by the way. It's absolutely amazing. So big shout out to everybody in the chat. All the guys who tune in daily. Everybody who's out there supporting me daily. Everybody who loves me. I love you. Right? It's give and take. You give me a lot of love. And we're just kidding. I'm just hot and bothered right now. I'm ready to go on the private jet. Put me on the jet. Call somebody. I need to be on the jet. Get me on the jet. God, what a time to, honestly though, insane. What a move. Still going, by the way. 840s now. I told you we were going to make new fucking highs. And also, I'll point this out, right? It's not fucking rocket science. I know everybody on the internet wants to fucking make it rocket science, but I'll show you a little secret. If you're new to this fucking game, pull this up, right? Pull the fucking ES up. Pull it up. Pull up the ES, right? So the NASDAQ, think about it. This was the overnight high. All right, the NASDAQ was like here. It was like hanging out below that. And then the ES was up here. So like, think about it like if the NQ overnight high was like there, the NASDAQ was hanging out here. ES was already blowing, like it already blew through that, right? So I was very like, I think as long as the ES keeps pumping, there's no way the NASDAQ just gets stuck here. And I know people will be like, yeah, but how did, you know, oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I just fuck. Oh, fuck. I spilt some energy drink on my fucking, on my thingy. Oh, we're good. Oh, no problem. But yeah, that's it. Thanks, D-Money. D-Money got my napkins for me. He's always ready for me. Ready to help. Team player, guys. Team player right there. So yeah, big shout out to everybody for tuning in, watching the stream today. Absolutely insane. I'm probably going to take most of this off now just to like call it, right? Pay the bills, basically. We still got a lot of, we had 8 contracts sitting there, 7 contracts. So we'll see if we get one more push here, maybe. Kind of like put the stops below 820s is what we'll do, right? That kind of is making it really easy. Put one up here, kind of leave some down there. But yeah, that's it. That was an absolute textbook play. I mean, obviously, like I said, waiting for 15-minute range to break out was clearly the safer play. You know, maybe I was a little too aggressive trying to get those breakouts before it actually happened. So, but that's trading, right? Like you gotta just like do that sometimes. You gotta kind of feel the burn. Every once in a while, it's good to feel the burn. You know, truly. You gotta remind yourself. You're like, well, yep. That's why we don't enter the trade before the breakout. Things like that. You just gotta remind yourself sometimes. And the best way to remind yourself is to truly be like, yeah, I learned a good lesson, right? I learned a good lesson there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Absolutely. I mean, you think about it. I was long from 9:49. It's been 2 hours, right? 2 hours in this trade, and a lot of people told me to take profit, get out, Patrick, get out, and it just keeps going. So I think total P&L is about 36,000 on this trade. So haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Look, it's still going, by the way. Just in case you were wondering, it's still going. By the way, just putting it out there, just in case you're wondering. Anybody who's watching right now and maybe you're confused, like, no, it's still going. So we're doing it live right here on YouTube, 9 a.m. daily. There is nobody, and I'm telling you, there is nobody doing like this. No fucking buddy. Let's go. Oh, man. Too easy. Too fucking easy, chat. That's almost, well, I guess from our original entry, that's about, I don't know. That's a lot. All right, so pretty much I'm going to put these stops right here, 8:30. We'll see if there's like, can we get more straight up move here? If not, we'll just get locked out. We'll get stopped out there. So big shout out to all the fans, all the supporters, just go ahead and call me, just go ahead and call me. Look, I'm sweating. Literally sweating right now. I'm so hot. I'm on fire right now, chat. All right, I'm gonna take another here at the 53s. Leave one runner. Leaving one runner here, chat. What a move. The ES, the NASDAQ, all going to the moon.
I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. To the honeys, getting money, playing niggas like dummies. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby.
baby. Baby. All right, it's over. We got stopped. We got stopped. We all out. That's, I mean, this is a, I don't know, I'd say this is another historic Fresh Cash Friday, baby. I told y'all yesterday. I told y'all yesterday I was going to come in correct. Y'all were like, no. And I said, no. Tomorrow I'm putting on a show. I'm showing everybody why we are better. Why BDH is the BDH. Why do we call ourselves a big dick house? Because we got big dicks, right? And we put them out there for the world to see every day, live on YouTube. A lot of gurus, a lot of day trading experts, they cannot do what we do. And I'm not even like, I'm not trying to be like a hater or anything, but like, if you watch other live streams, they will never do what I just did, right? Not only did I give you exactly the plan, I gave you another plan, right? Another picture perfect long while I was in the trade, right? We kept it going. We added to the winners. We committed to the idea. We had a strong thesis. We had a plan. It was all laid out. It's not rocket science. You don't need my fucking Discord. You don't need my book. You don't need my course. It's just basic trading, my friends. Basic fucking trading, right? Run it back one more time. I'll break it down one more time for you. Overnight, well, the pre-market high, 816, right? We pull all the way back, and look at that. Huge wick. And, well, you get that kind of breakout there, which is, okay, you missed out on that. That's fine. It happens. But guess what? This pullback into the 15-minute range right there, absolutely textbook. And I said, very simply, I said, you know, hey, what I would like to see here is basically a breakout through here. A breakout through here takes us up into here. And why is that? Well, if you think about it, look at the higher time frames, hourly chart. I mean, bam. Fuck. She gone. Like, absolutely gone. Look at those hourly candles, right? When you're trading, focus a little bit more on the bigger picture. What is the hourly chart looking like? What do we got going on? Are we closer? Are we further? Where is the most recent low or high? And then for the entry, the reason that I like to wait for candles to close is because, like you can see, right? There's big wick on the bottom, big wick on the bottom. So the thought process for me is that, okay, the high is 48, the high is 54. So I'm like, if we can get through these highs, there's a good chance that this will be our next target. And if we get through those highs, that's the next target. I'm waiting for the breakout. If you go to the smaller time frames, you might have been able to get in a little earlier. Let's say, yeah, I mean, maybe you would have gotten in, you know, above 40. Someone said 48, 45 area. All right, well, that's fine. You could have done that too. But again, 15-minute range, it's, I don't want to say it's textbook by any means. But if you're going to look up in the Wikipedia or the whatever website and you typed in, what does the 15-minute range breakout look like? I mean, it don't really get much more clean than that. And you really have to look at it with the idea that, like, hey, look, two big wicks on the bottom of those 5-minute candles. What is that telling you? It's telling you there's pressure there. It's telling you there's buyers there. It's telling you that there's demand there, right? Two big wicks like that. You have to think that we're going to propel out of there. Think about the wicks. The wicks, my friends, they're like, it's like the rocket fuel. It's the fucking rocket. All right, you need to get those wicks on the bottom of the candles to rocket the price higher, because that's telling you that the bears are getting defeated, and then boom. So we are getting close to 11 o'clock. We got D-Money coming up here in a little bit. D-Money coming back for a little bit. Well, he'll be here from 11 o'clock till probably end of the day. So shout out to D-Money. He's coming in here soon. If you guys enjoyed this stream, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to hit that like button, subscribe button. I know y'all, nobody likes me, you know, and all that. No one ever likes Patrick Wieland, but, you know, I be trying to do something. I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun. Just trying to have a little bit of fun here, chat. But don't worry, D-Money's coming up here at 11 o'clock. Live at the BDH. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go head over to the private jet and you know, just private jet stuff. If you're not following me on Instagram, hit me up on Instagram, Patrick Wieland Inc. Twitter is Patrick Wieland. Be posting. I'll be gone basically all next week. I'll be gone all next week, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm so very excited. Going fishing. It's going to be the World Championship of Offshore Fishing is what I'm going to Costa Rica for. So going to Costa Rica to become a world champion. I already got one world championship. I'm going for a number 2, baby. Number 2 world champion. Costa Rica. I might do a little live stream while we're down there on the boat fishing one day after the market or something. But yeah, that's all I got. Look at my armpits. Dude, I'm literally fucking sweating over here. Look at this push again. NASDAQ, I don't think it's done yet, honestly. Today might just be one of those days where we just squeeze. Look for, what do you think? I think 27,000 ain't far away now. Truly, right? So, that's what I see. Maybe. Who knows? Back. God, what a way to end the day. What a way to end the day, chat. What a way to end the day here. Fresh Cash Friday, legendary day. This is going to go down in history. 130 points live. Conviction, belief, made it happen. Absolutely made it happen. Oh, you want a code? How many likes we got? We need more likes. We only got 1,900 likes. We gotta get at least 2,000 likes. I'll drop a code in the chat here in a second. I need more likes though, more love. You manifested the 100 points. I didn't manifest it. I think we just saw the setup, bro. We just saw the setup there, right? That's all it was. The setup was there, and we took it. So I got 2 codes here, 2 codes going out. Go to Lucid Trading right now, and there's 2 codes. Go. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. 2 codes in the chat. I will see you guys in like a week from now, maybe earlier. Maybe I'll do a live stream in Costa Rica on the boat. But we got D-Money coming up here in a little bit. Stay tuned. I can put the little link here. He'll be on in like 5 minutes. So just don't go anywhere. Just hang out with us. We're coming back. We're not done. It's not done. We're coming back. So. There's a link in the chat for D-Money coming up soon. If you guys enjoy the stream, tell everybody about it. Tell everybody. They're missing out on the best show on YouTube daily, right here, my friends. So there it is. I love you. I'll see you when I see you. Maybe no. Who knows? Maybe I'll die. Maybe I'll die in Costa Rica. You never know. So this might be the last time I get to say goodbye. So let's cherish this moment. I love you. You love me, hopefully. And I'll see you when I see you. Peace to the Middle East. Actually, wait. Do we have peace in the Middle East now? Wait, do we have peace in the Middle East? Wait a second. Wait a second. Is it? We got peace in the Middle East.